Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome to a place that we do everything tech, and I also teach you how to grow your YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing unboxing. I have two boxes in front of you guys that I'm so excited to open and show you what is inside. Before we do that, let me share a little story with you guys. For the videos that you see on my YouTube channel, I use this laptop and them. It's a Lenovo and impact to that chip, and I kinda spoiled the battery and the charger. So you already know what is inside these two cartons. Yeah, this is the charger and this is the battery. So before we do the unboxing, guys, I have to thank the people who made this possible. By the name Freelance Solutions. They're located here in Timau, but it doesn't matter where you are. If you need something from them, guys, I'm going to leave their number somewhere on the screen. Just call them, guys, and they do delivery. They're going to deliver for you, or whatever you mean. They sell original stuff, guys. They sell these accessories. They sell iPhone chargers. They also sell cameras, chargers, earphones. Name it, guys. They all have these accessories. Just contact them.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss.
Yeah, hi guys, my name is Brian and I welcome you all to Freelance shop whereby we sell everything quality and at fair price.
That comes the moment that I know most of you have been waiting for. Let's do the unboxing. Guys, I'm so excited to do this unboxing. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. What do you think we should unbox first? Should we go with the charger or the battery? Are you seeing the charger? Okay, then guys, let's put this aside and unbox the charger. I like the quality of the carton. This box is of high quality. It looks nice. Let's open the charger first. Ta-da! So guys, this is the charger. I don't know if it can focus, but it's 20 volts. Nice. So this is the charger that I got. Let's put it aside and unbox the battery. Still, the box is of high quality. Looks nice. Look at that battery, guys. Looks nice. Look the current. That's this thing towards the battery. It looks nice. Let's look at the battery. By looking at the battery, guys, it looks like the original one. It's nice. Okay, but we're going to see if they look alike when we open the machine, the laptop. I will leave the number on the description. If you need to buy things from them, guys, just call them. They can deliver, or they can do delivery all over Kenya. It doesn't matter where you are. Just contact them, guys. They're going to send you whatever you buy from them. So it's time for us to replace the battery. Here's the laptop. Let me do the magic trick. Remove all the screws. Are you ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. So guys, here's the machine. Here's how the laptop looks. Got the casing. And as you can see, the first thing that you notice, guys, is that the battery. They look similar. Guys. So let's unplug this one and put the new one in. So guys, this is the original battery. I've just unplugged it. It's the original, but this is how it looks. And look at the one that I got, the new one. It also looks similar. They look similar, guys. So it's an original one too. Let me tighten it in. And I will power on the machine and see.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay.
And we're done, guys. The battery is back. It looks so fresh. Now let's put back the casing of the laptop and let's do that. Done. Done. Now, well, should we try powering it on and see if it has any charge? Let's try doing that. Oh, guys, it's powered. It's powering. I'm so excited, guys. You know, I've missed this machine, man. Missed it so much. Okay, now, guys, I think I should charge it first and see how it's going to respond. But it works. So happy. So, guys, that's all that I had for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Tell me down in the comment section if you'd like to see such videos, guys, and I'm going to be making more of these videos. If you have any question, write it down in the comment section and I'm going to answer you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, and always be yourself. In this video, guys, I'll be teaching you Today's video, guys, I'll be unboxing these two boxes in front of me. In today's video, guys, we'll be doing unboxing. I'm so excited to show you what is inside these two cartons. Hello, guys, and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome to a place that I teach you. Hello, guys.